Morning Year 4, it's Tuesday the 2nd of February and today we're going to read and interpret line graphs. We've got some information here to look at first of all. In focus task it says, what is a good way to show how the entrance fee to a museum has changed over the years? So here we've got some years, 2000, 2003, all the way to 2014, and here we've got entrance fee and how it's been changing. So in 2000 it cost only £4.40 to get into the museum, but in 2014 it cost £6.70. So we're going to look at that today. We're going to be thinking about this line graph because you've done so well so far with bar graphs. We're moving to line graphs today. Okay, so there's that information that we've just been talking about, and you can see on here it looks like still a bit like bars, but what we've done at the top of each of these bars is there's an actual point as to where that is. There's the £4.40 across there, there's a point there. In 2003, £4.30, so it comes down, and each of those points for those amounts have then been joined up like a dot to dot to make a bar graph, and that needs to be with a ruler when you join those up, children. Okay, it says each dot on the graph tells you the museum entrance fee for one particular year. That dot there tells you each year. So actually we do not need the bars for this sort of information. Okay, so without the bars, this is what it looks like. And you can see we've got this line going upwards. And it's interesting because graphs like this show us trends and patterns. The trend or the pattern here is that the cost is increasing because the amount's up here. So it's increasing over time, and these are time along here. As time goes on, it's getting more and more expensive to go into the museum. And it's important to note that a line graph does show a quantity of changes over time, and we can say that this museum fee has increased since 2003 all the way up to 2012. And it could have been the other way around. We could have seen a graph that showed that it was very expensive in 2000 and that it had come down and decreased, and our line would have been coming down. But this shows us it's going up, it is increasing. That is the pattern or the trend. Okay, this is one that you're doing today. This is a line graph showing the number of patients at a dental clinic between 9 a.m. and 12 noon. Again, it's over time. And on the side here we've got the number of patients. You can see number of patients. Okay, and our question says how many patients at 9:30? Well, here's 9, here's 10, 11 and 12. So with my ruler I'm going to work out 9:30. Well, 9:30 is going to go halfway between 9 and 10. So I'm going to put my ruler on there, and I'm going to draw up until I hit that line. Okay, and I've hit that line there. And then with my ruler, I'm going to go across and see what number of patients it hits. And you can see straight away that it hits on 6. If I can just give you a little circle, you can see that it's 6 patients at 9:30. And then another question, at what time were there 9 patients, it says. So this time we're given a number of patients. So there's 8, there's 10. Where's 9 going to be? Well, you're right. It's exactly halfway between 8 and 10. So I'm going to put my ruler halfway, and I'm going to, whoops, wrong one, Mrs. Thomas. I need a thinner one, don't I? That one there. Let's undo that. I need a thin one. I'm going to go across from 9 all the way nice and straight with my ruler, and I hit the line. Okay, and then I'm going to come down onto the time to see when it is, and it hits here, and you can see I've gone across from 9 there, and it hits here. What time's this? Well, there's 11, there's 12. This must be You're right. Yes, 11:30. Okay, 11:30. So you're going to be asked some questions on line graphs today, children. You're going to be thinking about what these lines mean, if they're going up or if they're coming down, what the trend or pattern is over time, and you will find that your graphs are about time, and quite often we have line graphs that are about a period of time. Remember to do your 15 minutes of TT Rockstars. You can upload a photo or a document of your work on Teams, or you can email me at year4@ssjs.co.uk with your finished work. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy that work on line graphs, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.